Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. In today's video guys, we got a Mazda here from a car auction that it's supposed to need a brand new engine. It's supposed to have a locked up engine. Okay, check this thing out, only 93,000 miles, super sharp vehicle, but when we got it, okay, let me show you what happens actually. Okay, listen now. Ignition key is in, and listen for the click now. Okay, that guys sounds, okay, like a locked up engine, right? But this is not, guys, this is not. This vehicle, okay, it's going to cost us about 10 to 15 bucks to fix it, and let us explain you why and what's happening. Listen now the engine, okay, listen, the starter. It sounds like the starter is engaging the Bendix, but it sounds like the engine is completely locked up, right? What is happening, guys? We took the intake off, we took the valve cover, we also took the oil pan off. We didn't find anything wrong, timing is perfectly fine. We told you it was a bad timing chain, no it's not. And then we started thinking, because the starter has two positive wires, one is from the battery to the starter and one is from the ignition switch to the starter. We removed the starter, we tested it, everything's fine, it works fine. Now check out the battery, okay, we're at 12 volts. Now if we run a 12 volt test on the battery, from the negative terminal to the positive terminal of the starter, we're supposed to have a 12 volt connection here. We don't have that. We have 0 volts. Now we'll check the wire, okay, the continuity of the wire. This is the starter wire here. From that wire all the way to the starter, okay, check it out now. When I touch it, nothing happens. It says 1. If I touch the wire here, check it out. It's going to beep and it will come to 0. So what we did then, we touched the wire on the bottom side with one of the posts, and then on the other side of the wire here, okay, well, give me just a second because I dropped it, yep, and we have continuity, guys. So what is happening now, most likely there is a fuse in this wire, guys, and this is the wire that actually engaged the starter motor. The little 12 volt wire that comes from the ignition switch, this is the one that activates the Bendix. Our Bendix fine, we tested our starter, it's fine as well, so most likely it's a bad starter. So if we give it 12 volts to the starter, okay, on that side of the wire here, we're going to be able to turn the starter on. Listen now. And the only problem will be to replace that fuse here. Okay, let me turn the jump starter, we forgot. Okay. 1 second, because this thing is... Okay. No, that jump starter is dead, so let me just grab one quick. Okay, I'll get the other jump starter, this one right there, because we use that one quite a bit. So we need two sources, okay, to give 12 volt supply. We have one from the jumper cables already, because our battery is dead. And now we're going to use the second one here. Okay, let's connect it here good. Okay, let's go inside and see if we're going to hear the starter going now. Perfect, guys. Check it out. Everything is great. So that little fuse, guys, we bought a car that needs a brand new engine. That's what we were told, that's what we expected, mechanical engine. And it ended up being that fuse or just the starter wire itself. So we'll have, guys, probably more than 200 videos on this car. We'll have Mazdas coming all the time, different Mazdas as well. So please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Quite a few will be made. And if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below in the description of the video.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.